Mr. Satyanarayana, my co-panelists, and the delegates. It has been a very good forum for us in the IT sector, in the government, to interact with all kind of diverse partners working in the industry here in Hyderabad. Yesterday we had very nice discussion on public safety, and today also we have been interacting with many entrepreneurs as well as our partners in other governments. So much has been spoken about e-Seva and its migration from E to Me Seva, and similar kind of services in Maharashtra and the health sector initiatives of Tamil Nadu government. I'll not repeat any of these things. Ultimately, all state governments are mandated and are now being cajoled towards delivering similar kind of services everywhere. And our government in JNK is no exception. But I would like to present a small, very quick perspective of problems of similar kind of states. I'll take the opportunity because Secretary IT Government of India is here, and he will appreciate this while taking bigger policy decisions at the Government of India level. Many of the areas in J&K, like Northeast, J&K, even other hill states, Sikkim, maybe even Himachal or Uttarakhand, they face huge challenges in terms of development of IT infrastructure. The telecom penetration in hill states is very poor in certain pockets, and delivery of these G2C services becomes a challenge. Although many private sector participants in telecom sector have done a lot of work, at least in J&K and in many other states, but you will appreciate, sir, that many of the mountainous areas are still out of the reach of the telecom companies, even the public sector telecom companies. That is why there are major challenges in development of wide area networks also, and but this core infrastructure is the key to success of any G2C initiatives in states like J&K and similar hill states or states with certain political instabilities as well. So this core infrastructure development is the focus in J&K currently, and in the last 3-4 months we have given a big push to all the e-governance infrastructure projects in J&K, and I'm happy to share that we are about to start our state data center with migration of many of the existing G2C e-services which are done standalone basis over to our central portal, and with the intention that at the end of the road we achieve a similar kind of common portal which is Me Seva kind of portal. But the other challenge which states like J&K face are the problems in capacity of the government staff. The capacity and the other aspect of capacity building is the process re-engineering. These are the two key areas which is the next step where we are focusing in J&K. I have taken a major initiative in capacity building exercises for our state civil service officers in e-governance as well as project management, and many a times, even in soft skill training for them, so that, they are in a position to communicate as to what is going on, manage the e-governance projects much better at the district level, and utilize the funds which are made available by the Government of India in a much better way. The other aspect is that we have put our the SCMT teams, which are a big source of help to us in government process re-engineering now. You will appreciate, sir, that in GPR, the initiative has to come from the department, but in J&K, somehow IT department has taken some initiative on its own to force other departments to change their processes, the manuals and other things. And the next step would be the electronic service delivery rules to come into place in J&K, so that these process after re-engineering are compatible with digital certification and all that what goes on here in Andhra Pradesh where it is happening, and hopefully at the end of the day we are able to achieve within a reasonable time frame this objective. Another initiative which we have taken in J&K is that we are now moving directly to mobile-based management systems, so mobile platform-based management systems, kind of Dropbox, which is being used by us on smartphones. We have a border area development project where small projects are scattered all across the border areas, and management of that is a major issue because a lot of government money gets scattered away. Our Chief Secretary, Mr. Madhavalal, took a very big initiative, and we have developed that application, and we are about to roll it out for consolidation of everything of that project in the hands of the Secretary Planning Department as well as the Director of the BADP project. Once this is successful, then it will be replicated in many other departments. And in my opinion, it is more cost effective than currently many of the states are doing, distributing laptops down to the village level workers. We are going to do it through smartphones. So that is another initiative which we have taken. One final argument which I would like to put forth is that many of the government departments are working in silos, not only here in JNK, but I think it is true of all the state governments. They are doing a lot of IT work, they are using technology, but these databases which they create or the information which comes to them, which is fit for sharing with others, other departments of the government, is not being shared. So that kind of policy of integration, I think, is the need of the hour, so that the deployment of IT and the communication technology in multiple departments, its real benefit starts accruing. For a citizen, government is one. You may have 25 departments, but for them it is one, and they would rather like to have their data given once, not 10 times in 10 departments. And of course, UID is one of those projects which may end up eliminating this thing, but it is, in my opinion, a little far. In the meantime, I think we should develop a policy of integration of these small databases across the departments. And I would request you, sir, that if Government of India can create a unified kind of policy for doing this kind of integration of databases in various departments, so that at least at the G2G level there is information exchange, which may help better delivery of G2C services. Thank you very much, sir.